The European Union has condemned the post-election violence in Mozambique, which has resulted in the loss of life. The EU has urged the president-elect and the new administration to swiftly engage in a constructive dialogue with the opposition and with relevant civil society organizations. Salamina mashoko amdatongwa nawakomana with the European Union pamusoro aiwa chaos iriitika munyika yeMozambique. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda panapa kupindula mudanyira achiti violence flared up again on Monday after Mozambique's Constitutional Court confirmed the results of the October 9 elections. The European Union (EU) has condemned the post-election violence in Mozambique, which has resulted in the loss of life. The EU has urged the president-elect to engage in a dialogue. Below is the statement released by the EU on December 24. The European Union (EU) takes note of the proclamation by the Constitutional Court of the results of the general elections held on 9 October, announcing Daniel Chapo as the President of the Republic of Mozambique. The EU is extremely concerned by the post-election violence and deplores the considerable loss of lives that occurred so far. We urge all sides to maintain restraint and refrain from any action that may further exacerbate tensions. We also call for accountability and justice to tackle instances of human rights violations. As testimony of the EU's continued engagement on contributing to strengthening Mozambican democracy and following an invitation by the authorities of Mozambique, the EU deployed an election observer mission, EUEOM, to observe the electoral processes. EUOM noted irregularities during counting of votes and unjustified alterations of the election results. Domashoko anobuda chwana nawakomana ve-EU vachiona kuti aiwa kunyika yeMozambique aiwa kunotoda kutodzokororwa kutoda kutotangiwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.